Good day, it's November the 12th, and today on Learning Tagalog, we're going to cover common items found in the kitchen. So, let's start. Knife, in Tagalog, this is kutsilyo. Kutsilyo. And fork is tinidor. Tinidor. And spoon is kutsara. Spoon is kutsara, and teaspoon is kutsarita. A plate is pinggan or plato. Plate is pinggan or plato. Don't forget. A cup or a mug is called tasa. Tasa. And a table is called lamesa. A chair is called upuan. And a glass is called baso. I couldn't think of anything else, so I think that's it for now. Bye-bye. Until next time.